Hello viewers, welcome to JSM Learn. In this video, we are going to discuss previous IIT JEE Main questions solutions from 2026 year. So in this general organic chemistry, okay. So in this IUPAC Nomenclature and Isomerism related questions we will discuss. So here the first question is, in IUPAC Nomenclature, the correct order of decreasing priority of functional group is. See, this is a very simple question and this is the complete functional group priority decreasing order, right? So here first we have carboxylic acid and its derivatives, and then carbonyls and nitriles and carbonyls, then heteroatom containing single bond functional groups, and then unsaturated functional group, double bond and triple bond. Okay, so this is the complete order. From this we can see here given options. So option C is matching with the order. Okay, see here amide, aldehyde, ketone, amine and alkyne. Okay, so this is the correct option. Just remember this order, very simple. If you break this order like this, it is easy to remember. Let us see the next question. Identify the correct IUPAC name of hydrocarbon X containing 3 primary carbon atoms. 3 primary carbon atoms and with molar mass 72 grams per mole. So these are the names given. Okay, from this first we have to write the structure. Okay, so to save the time, already I took the structures from the given names. Okay, see here in this molecule, this is a secondary carbon, this is a secondary carbon, this is a quaternary carbon, this is a primary carbon, this is a primary carbon. We have only 2 primary carbons, right? So this is not our answer. Next, see here, this is a primary carbon, these all are primary carbons, right? These all are primary carbons and it is a quaternary carbon. So what they have asked, the molecule with 3 primary carbon atoms. So here we have 4 primary carbon atoms. Next, see this, it is a primary, it is primary, it is also primary, this is secondary and it is tertiary. See here in this molecule we have 3 primary carbon atoms and let us see the molecular mass whether it is 72 or not. Okay, so how many carbons are there total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 carbons. Carbon atomic mass 12. So 5 into 12, 60. Right. And how many hydrogens are there? 3 plus 3, 6. Plus 3, 9. Plus 1, 10. Plus 2, 12. So total 72. Molecular mass is 72. So from the given question, it is asked, so the compound containing 3 primary carbon atoms with molar mass 72 grams per mole. So here this option is matching. So option C is the correct answer, that is 2-methyl butane. Okay, so first if this type of questions are asked, first you should write the structure, then you can easily identify. Let us see the next question. Given below are 2 statements. Statement 1, 2,6 diethyl cyclohexanone and 6-methyl 2N-propyl cyclohexanone are metamers. Statement 2, 2,6,6 tetramethyl cyclohexanone exhibits keto-enol tautomerism. So we have to choose the correct statement. See here also the names were given, so we have to write the structures. Okay, so let us see the structures. So this is the first one. So this is the first carbon, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So for this given name, this is the structure. So here we have, this is the functional group. Both sides we have ethyl groups. Okay. Next, let us see the next one. So this is the functional group. This side we have methyl group. Another side we have N-propyl group. Okay, so what are the metamers? The molecules in which they have same molecular formula but different types of alkyl groups on the both sides of the functional group. So this is the functional group. See here we have both are ethyl groups. But in this one is methyl group, another one is N-propyl group. So these 2 molecules have same molecular formula but different types of alkyl groups on the 2 sides of the functional group, so they are metamers. Statement 1 is true. Let us see the molecule given in the statement 2. So 2, 2, 6, 6 tetramethyl cyclohexanone. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4, see 2, 2, 6, 6. Total 4 methyl group. So in statement it is given that this molecule exhibits keto-enol tautomerism. Keto-enol tautomerism. So to exhibit keto-enol tautomerism, the molecule must have minimum one alpha hydrogen. So this is the alpha position, right? These are the alpha carbons. Okay, but here no hydrogen is attached to the carbon. These carbons have already 4 bonds. So there are no hydrogens, no alpha hydrogen. So that's why this molecule do not exhibit keto-enol tautomerism. So now let us see the question. So both statement 1 and 2 are true. Okay, only statement 1 is true, statement 2 is wrong or false. So here statement 1 is true, but statement 2 is false. So option C is the correct answer. Okay, so students, you have to be perfect with IUPAC nomenclature, then we can answer this type of questions very easily. They will give the name. If you write the structure, easily we can answer. Thank you for watching.